Hello, this is White Group Reading, a story called Hot Air Balloons, and this would be day 3 and day 4. So go ahead and get out hot air balloons. You're also going to need your board and a marker, and we will begin. If we look on our words for today and we start writing them down, the first one says floats. Floats. So we'll write that one down. F-L-O-A-T-S. And what do we notice about this word? I see bees. Oh, bees. And this and this. Okay. The word is floats. This is what I've got for it. I've got a blend, and then I've got a vowel team. Now, one thing that I sent for you for your phonics videos, and I think it went to the white group, maybe just the blue group, I'm not sure. But we talked about vowel teams, and you have two vowels together. The rule is when two vowels go walking, one does the talking. The first one does the talking. So anytime I have two vowels right here, O and A, my first one's going to make the noise. O is the sound this is. O-A, the sound is O. So I've got a blend, a vowel team, a consonant, and then this S makes this plural. I'm not talking about doing one thing, I'm talking about doing two things. Okay? So we've got fluff, O, T, and S, meaning that's what it does. It floats, floats, floats. Let's write down the next one, which is lighter. L-I-G-H-T-E-R. Consonant, consonant, R controlled, and then this is a vowel sound, but it doesn't have, it's not really a team because it doesn't have two vowels in it. Okay? The word is lighter. L-I-T-E-R. Lighter. Lighter. Oh, and I forgot to read the definition. The definition of lighter means having less weight. And the definition for floats was stays in the air. Okay, so let's go to our next one. Warm. W-A-R. If I break down the warm, I've got consonant and R controlled, and I've got a consonant. Warm. Warm. If you look at it, it looks like a little word and a big word. That word is arm. But when we say it and we sound it right on our mouth, you don't say warm. You say warm. It's just the way we say it. But getting those pieces down helps you sound that out. Warm. And warm means not cold, almost hot. Warm. That's what warm means. And let's go to our last one. Helium. Wow, that's a big word. Helium. H-E-L-I-U-M. Helium. Helium. And helium is a type of gas that is lighter than air and makes balloons float. Helium. Very good on those today. So the first thing you're going to do, the first thing we always do, is take our title, take our keywords, take our picture, and make a prediction. Draw it, invented spelling, or dictate it to mom. She'll tell her what to write. She'll write it on the board. Has to be in your handwriting or hand drawing. Yours, yours, yours. All right, so get that done. Pause the video. Come back when you're ready. Very good. Welcome back. You did a great job on your prediction. I know you did. Let's read the story today. Are you afraid of heights? Then hot air balloons are not for you. A hot air balloon is a very big balloon. It is made of strong cloth. A basket can be tied to a hot air balloon. People can ride in the basket. Sometimes machines are tied to the balloons. They check weather or send TV shows. A hot air balloon floats in the air. Warm air is lighter than cold air. The warm air in the hot air balloon is lighter than the cold air outside. This makes the hot air balloon, rise. Some balloons are filled with helium. Helium is a gas that is lighter than air. This makes the gas balloon rise. Many hot air balloons have pretty colors on them. They are fun to watch in the sky. Ever seen a hot air balloon? Gorgeous. They're beautiful. One of my favorite things to do is jigsaw puzzles. I love jigsaw puzzles. And they make great jigsaw puzzles with pictures of hot air balloons. Where I grew up, they had hot air balloons, a hot air balloon, kind of not really a contest, but just a day where everybody would come out and fly their hot air balloons if they had them. And you just see hundreds of them in the sky, all different colors and shapes and sizes. They're beautiful. You get a chance to Google hot air balloons, I bet you'll find some fantastic ones. Let's go to the back of this page. And it says, answer the questions. Reading our choices first for number 1. A, floating in the sky. B, hot air and helium. C, balloons that float. Or D, balloons and baskets. And the question says, what is most of this story about? Most of the story, if you think it's about floating in the sky, circle A. If you think the story is mostly about hot air and helium, circle B. If you think it's mostly about balloons that float, circle C. And if you think it's mostly about balloons and baskets, circle D. And let's go on to our choices for number 2. Your choices are helium, B, cloth, C, baskets, or D, hot air. And the question says, what is used to make a hot air balloon? What is used to make a hot air balloon? Helium, circle A. Cloth, circle B. Baskets, circle C. Or hot air, circle D. Your choice and circle your answer. And number 3 choices are A, to watch. B, to hit. C, to stop. Or D, to mark. Those are interesting. The question says, what does check mean in this story? What does check mean in this story? Does it mean to watch? Does it mean to hit? Does it mean to stop or to mark? You may need to go back and read the story again or read the first part of the story and find out what the word check means. In that case, you would look for your keyword. text, find out check, find check, and then read the sentences around it to answer this question. Your choices for number 4. A, it is lighter than the air outside. B, it is heavier than the air outside. C, it is the same as the air outside. Or D, it is colder than the air outside. That's a science question. The question for number 4 says, what is true about the air in all of the balloons we talked about in the story? If you think the air is lighter than air outside, circle A. If you think it is heavier than the air outside, circle B. If you think it is the same as the air outside, circle C. And if you think it is colder than the air outside, circle D. Now for question number 5. Why do hot air balloons float? Why do they float? Well, we might look for a key word, and our key word here might be float. So let's go back in the passage and look for the word float and see if we can find out why hot air balloons float. Looking for the word float. Go. Hot air balloon floats in the air. Hot air balloons float in the air. Warm air is lighter than cold air. The warm air in the hot air balloon is lighter than the cold air outside. There you go. Why do hot air balloons float? Because the air in the hot air balloon is lighter than the cold air outside because it's warmer. That's what makes them float. Okay? So make that into a sentence. And I do not want a picture on this. I need some words on this. Invented spelling, great. But I'd rather you found a sentence in the passage that supports your answer and write it down. Please copy it down exactly. Or say it to Mom and have her write it, but make sure it's in a super sentence for me. And then the last thing is a retell of hot air balloons. You can draw a picture on this one. You can write it with invented spelling. You can tell Mom and Dad who will write it down. Or you can draw a picture. You're just going to give me a summary of this story, what you learned from this story, and what the story is about. Good job today, White Group. I'll get this up on the YouTube as fast as I can. Kind of backed up a little bit on some of them. Our Zoom meeting today is having trouble loading. But we'll get it up there, and look for a Bible lesson soon. Look for a science lab tomorrow or Friday, and one more reading group to get out. So have a great day.